going to, excuse me, Daddy's going to put water in the sandcastle. Oh, we need a lot more water than that. Why don't you go help Daddy, Mason?
Not more. Daddy, we're trying to clean the bucket.
So we have a little bit of water, just keeps sinking in, and we made a little pathway here. This is Mason's pathway onto, or it's a bridge, I guess, onto this castle. What happened?
The big wave.
Oh, the big waves aren't going to get you.
Yeah, look how huge they are.
There are some big waves. All right, Daddy brought more water.
Daddy, I was going to tell you.
Woo! You're going to tell Daddy to what? We're at Ocean Beach today. Got here at 7:30 this morning. This is a big pier. Mason's not wanting to touch the water. It's all the surfers. You have sand.
Yeah. Dad, I can jump on here.
Doesn't work very well.
No, just gonna soak in.
Someone hold this. Mommy, can you hold this for me?
Move that.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you doing?
Swinging it.
Oh, there's sand in there? Here, hang on. Let's see. Oh, I don't know, buddy. You might have to dig it out because it's wet. It's soaked, so it's not going to come out that easy. Mason, are you having fun? Huh? Is this the best sandcastle ever? Look at Mommy. I'm videotaping. Look at Mommy. Mason! You gonna watch those surfers get in there? Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye. Mommy, look at sticker.